Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fit another Starline i96 on this brand new 2021 Mercedes SLC 200. How the system works, if someone was to grab this key, break into the house and try and start the vehicle and take it, this is what would happen. So foot on the clutch, try and start it, it won't start. See, vehicle won't start. Won't start, okay? So now every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, so basically he has to pass a thing called authorization. So the way you would do that is main ignition on, go through a standard push sequence or a code that you've selected. So 1, 2, 3, receive a melody. There you go, now start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, if the customer wanted to change the code, or should I say first of all put it in valet mode because he's taking it for a service, this is the way it would be done. So basically main ignition on, pass the authorization with your code, so 1, 2, 3, receive your melody, and then hit one of the buttons on the network 11 times and cycle the ignition off, back on, you get 2 bleeps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now key off, pause, and key back on. There you go, 2 bleeps. So this is now a normal vehicle. No code is required. They can move it around, do what they need to do. Okay, really clever. When you get the vehicle back, all you basically do is just basic ignition on, go through your push sequence, but this time you get 2 bleeps. There you go, that's now out of valet mode. Also, if you wanted to change the code, this is straightforward too. The way you would do that is once again, main ignition on, pass your authorization, so 1, 2, 3. There you go, melody, then hit one of the buttons on the network, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, key off, pause, key back on. There you go, we've got 5 bleeps. So now I'm actually going to do this button here, but most of these buttons here and most of the buttons here can be used. So I'm going to do just a standard code. So notice when I tap it, it gives me a bleep, which means you can use it, it's on the network. So now we're going to hear confirmation melody. There you go. And now repeat it again. There you go, code is now learned. So if I leave it about 10 seconds, take about 10 seconds to actually immobilize itself. So what we'll do a test just to confirm again that it's immobilized. So ignition on, no melody, foot on the clutch, try and start it, so it doesn't start. Okay, so now ignition off, ignition back on, try the new code, 1, 2, 3. There you go, new melody, start the vehicle. Really, really clever, really straightforward. Hello, as I said, my name's Otto. My company's called London Car Alarm Company. If you want to give me a call direct, the number to me is 028906 0478, 028906 0478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.